For those that are looking to enable privacy options, the WLIR software has two options. If we go into system settings, the first option is enable privacy options right under common. If you go ahead and enable this will actually remove the visible light camera. You can only see the thermal image. So if I'm turning here, you can't actually recognize my face, but as I'm passing by, you will be able to detect my temperature. The second option is to go into alarm. Again, I just disabled privacy options because this will give me back my two cameras. I'm going to go into alarm and I'm going to uncheck alarm snapshot and uncheck face recognition snapshot. This will actually allow me to still use both cameras, so I'm more precise in my analysis of who's coming in. Again, you can see my face on the right side and you can see my thermal image on the left side. The temperature still follows either, of course. However, unlike in the other video where we covered how to open, say, this alarm snapshot here, or these face recognition snapshots at the bottom here, I can actually no longer open these because they're not actually being stored anymore. Same thing with the facial recognition at the bottom, nothing's actually stored. So this is great for those that need to have a little bit more of PII. You have two options. Again, the first option under system settings is enable privacy options. This one will allow you to remove anything, any type of data. The second one will also remove any type of data that's saved, but you'll have the benefit of still being able to see the person here.